fucking jump.
Alrighty, shoe believers, welcome back to the Ozone. Bossvegeta 1 here. For those of you who don't know, I buy 2 pairs of every Nike or Jordan GR each year. So if you like sneakers, you found the right show. Please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned for more shoes, guys. Let's get this one underway. Get you a little bit of box action. You guys know what this is already. If you haven't checked out my other video, please go through and check out all of my Air Trainer videos and Travis Scott. Let me let this focus. Completing the Travis Scott collection. Having every Nike Travis Scott ever made. This shoe reads the Air Trainer 1 CJ, Gray Haze, Olive Aura, and Canvas. Check out most of these shoes, guys. Give me one second. Alright, let's get this light out. Alright, for those of you that don't know, this is how the shoe comes when you buy a Travis Scott Air Trainer. It has this little rain guard on the front. But when you take the guard off, this is what the shoe looks like under the guard. So, materials on this shoe are all corduroy and canvas. Has a little bit of plastic on the front, but for the most part it's all corduroy and canvas material. And the grays, light blues, get a pocket in the back that says the Cactus Corporation. You can't really put anything into the pocket. Everything's the same on this shoe. It's a little zipper action. More gray with yellow breakup into the yellow corduroy. Bottom of the shoe is the multi-trainer, no slip as usual. I like the bottom. My dad doesn't really like the bottom of these. He said you believe they're going to wear out. But we'll see. Let's look at the top of the shoe. You get the tongue has a pocket as well where you could hold your rain bag. Got a little bit of look at the inside. Don't have no dirt got in there. It says a little Nike Air. Top of the shoe, you get the classic Air Trainer shot that says the Cactus Corporation. The toe box. A lot of people don't like those buttons on the toe box. Snaps on the toe box, they're all over the shoe. As you can see, olive green Nike swoosh. Two-tone gray. Again, Cactus Corporation on the back of the shoe. Not special, same thing on this side of the shoe. Normal bottom. Give you guys a look at what it looks like when you keep the rain and mud shroud on. Just snaps onto the shoe. If you guys didn't see my last video, you snap it on, peel it off, however you want to wear it. Shroud on, shroud off. Let me reverse it so it's the right way. Let you guys see what the shoe is going to look like when they're on your feet. Guys, let me know if you bought a pair of these Air Trainers. Did you buy any of Travis Scott's shoes during this Nike run before it ended? Are you looking to buy some of these shoes? Let me know what shoes you guys are buying. Let me know what shoes you guys want to see on the channel next. And above all else, everybody stay safe and have a nice day.
Everybody fucking jump.